Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today's topic is about decision-making structures. That also includes if, else, with, and or operators. To start with, let us look at the slides which I've made. Let's look at the slides. Decision structures is done through Boolean expressions. Boolean expressions have two types of operators, which are relational operator and logical operator. Under logical operator, you have two operators. I mean three operators, which are AND operator, or operator, and NOT operator. In an operator, this operator works if two statements are tested both, then it results true. Means one statement have to be false in order to result false. In C# code, we make use of this I can say these symbols to express the AND operator, to represent it. In our operator, this operator works if one of two statements tested is true, then it will result true. That means both statements have to be false in order for our operator to result false. In C# we use this symbol to represent our operator. Then NOT operator, this operator works if both statements tested are false, then it will result in true. Means at least one statement have to be true in order for it to result in false. In C# we use this symbol to represent NOT operator. Therefore, another type of operator is relational operators, which are greater than operator, less than operator, greater than is equals to operator, less than is equals to operator, is equals to operator, not is equals to operator. Then let us check how AND operator works in the C#. Let us open this program. Then in order to check for both statements, we have to declare two variables. Let's say int num1 equals to true, also int num2 equals to 2. Therefore, in order for us to use these Boolean expressions, we have to make use of if statement. If statement is the statement which tests if the variable inside it are true, or if they are true, then it executes the code inside the if statement. And if they are false, it jumps to else statement. Then else statement is the statement which executes after the if statement is tested false. If the if statement is tested true, and then else statement does not execute. That means we will only make use of the code that is in the if statement. If the if statement is false, then we'll make use of the code that is in the else statement. Then let us check here if this is how we initialize if statement. If num1 And let's say if num1 is equals to num2, then let us say console red line num1 is equals to num2, else console.writeLine num1 is not equals to num2. Then let us test the statement. Let's test the statement. Here it is. It explains that num1 is equals to num2. Then to make use of AND operator, we will say if num1 is equals to num2 and num2 is equals to num1, so it's equals to num1, then num1 is equals to num2, else num1 is not equals to num2. We test two statements, num1 is equals to num2 and num2 is equals to num1. If it's like that, then it will say num1 is equals to num2. Let's check. Num1 is equals to num2. Then let us make one of this statement to be false in order to check it. Num1 is not equals to num2. Then num1 is not equals to num2. Let's check that if this statement is tested false, then then the code jumps to else statement. But if this if statement tested true, then it doesn't jump to the else statement. So let us make use of this. Means that we have used the AND operator and operator to check. That means we are checking if both statements are true. Then we have checked that this statement, both statement must be true. Let's say true. Then let's say false. AND operator becomes true if both statements are true, and it becomes false if one of the statement is false. Let's check. Then it is true. So how do you use OR operator? We use OR operator. Which means that one of the statements have to be true, even if both at least that means one of the statements have to be true in order for it to be true. Let us check. Oh no, sorry. We make use of an OR operator here. We make use of an OR operator here. OR operator. As I've indicated that this is how we make use of OR operator in C#. We testing if this result in true. Remember I said at least one statement have to be true in order for it to be true. Therefore it results in true. Let us check if one of the statements is not true. Well, it will result so not equals to. And in order to be aware that you have to indicate, you have to first state the expression and the relational operator. So first state the relational operator, then is equals what I mean is that the relational operator not then let us check if it will result in true, because we said that at least one of the statements have to be true. Then it is true because one of the statements is true. Then let us check if both statements are not true. It will result in false because one of the statements have to be true. I've covered and then operator. Then let us check the relational operators which are greater than, less than, and so on and so on. In the relational, let me make use of 4 here. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Relational operators. So that is equals to 1 is equals to them, not is equals to, and is equals to. Then let us check here. We are testing if 2 is not equals to 4. It means num1 is not equals to num2. Num1 holds 2, num2 holds 4. That means we are checking if num1 is not equals to num2. That means num2. That means let me do something like, okay, num2 is not equals to num1 is not equals to num2. Let us check if it will result in true. Then this is true. Num1 is not equals to num2. Then let me check here and use both 2. Is 2 not equals to 2? Let us check. 2 is not equals to 2. It is false. That means 2 is equals to 2. Then let us make use of is equals to function. Is 2 is equals to 2, then 2 is equals to 2, that is 2. Then let us make use of greater than. Is 2 greater than 2? That means it will result in false. As it will result in false, it will jump straight to the else statement. In the else statement, it holds the false. Then let us create is 2 greater than is equals to 2, and then here's the tricky part. It is true. That means when you say it is greater than is equals to, that means that it will start in is 2 greater than 2, then is 2 greater than is 2 is equals to 2 or greater than 2. Is 2 is equals to 2 or greater than 2. That is the function of the greater than is equals to. Is 2 small equals to 2, that will result in 2 because it starts with is 2 equals to 2 or less than 2. Then we make use of an or, and we say not equals to 2, then it will result in false because it is not, because 2 is equals to 2. That means it will result in false. Then here's the syntax, here's the logic. Num1 is being given 2, num2 is being given 2. Therefore, as we test if 2, that means num1 is holding what? 2. 2 is not equals to 2. Then the statement test false. Then it jumps straight to else statement. That means it will result in false. Thank you guys. I hope you have learned a lot about the decision structures that we told you in terms of logical operator. Under logical operator we have AND, OR, and NOT operator. Under the relational operators we have greater than, less than, greater than is equals to, less than is equals to, and not is equals to. And thank you. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe for more videos.